do do do. Do do. Not bad. Not bad. Get rid of the bed liner. Fix this a little bit. A little surface rust. So you figured out what you're gonna put in it yet?
Oh yeah.
Small block
Some sort of small block.
with a power adder.
Of some sort.
Yeah, this is gonna be the boys' build. Good foundation. Nice 98 clean Kansas title. Belonged to an old dude that passed away. Got one dent right there, and that little dent came up to fix. I still love the weathered 90s graphics.
Yeah, that's not staying on.
Yeah. Factory 2.2 Audiomatic Turdmobile. It's the exact same year and same chassis that's under mine. Except we did all the bracing and shit to it. Oh, Callie, hush. You know what? I think it's been lowered.
Nah, I think you just
Yeah, that's true too.
bet if you let that strap off and pop right back up.
Yeah. Clean, good foundation to start with. Next thing will be pressure wash it, gut it, get the bed off of it, get the frame cleaned, painted, get the underneath side of the bed and cab took care of. Firewall, engine bay, and start making something out of it. So I think that dart short block's probably your way to go. That rotating assembly short block.
Yeah, from Cheryl.
Yeah, from Sheroff, yep.
Cheryl will already go bid for another $600-$700.
Go where?
Steve Smith, my short block.
Yeah. Buy Steve Schmidt, buy a bracket buster short block.
Yeah. I can touch one of those for just over.
You'll be able to get into one of them for right about $5.
Just over.
But there it is. The new project. Built mine, now it's time to build son's truck. He got a lot better, nicer truck than what I started out with though. Mine took 3 trucks to get a rust-free body. I still had to put cab corners and rockers in my cab.
Hey, what did I tell you a couple months ago? Something will come along. Just
I told you when you quit looking, you'll find it pop up, and then it was right there, right in the backyard. It was literally like 10 miles from here.
And honestly, the frame's not that
Yeah.
good, man.
Dude was gonna small block it, changed his mind. So, but that's it. Everything else is in here: radiator, AC condenser, grill, bumper cover, whatever you want to call it on these. All the lights and shit are in here. Dibs on that toolbox. So now we'll start videoing the teardown, clean up, and start working on it. I wouldn't worry about painting it or nothing till you get it running and done.
Oh, you need to paint job.
I'd leave it like it is. Fuck it, run it.
Exactly.
I'd leave the old corny ass graphic on it and all.
The more I look at them, the more honestly it's growing on me.
It ain't bad. Ain't bad.
I've seen uglier.
Yeah. I'd say we just spot the rust spot, the surface rust spots in on it and call it good.
Yup. I've seen them
Get rid of all the anti-lock bullshit.
It's got one little crack.
Put a manual brake swap on it. Gen 1 or an adjustable portioning valve. Get rid of all the other bullshit with the anti-lock. Pretty much do everything we did to mine to this. Rear end, frame bracing, cage. Except I think he's going to make his a little bit more radical than what mine is. But there you go, everybody. The new project is home. Clean canvas title. Basically rust-free. One little dink. Interior's good. Headliner's good. All of this in here is good. Ain't going to use much of it.
No.
1200. Kid wanted 15. We gave him 12. He took it.
Only little crack spot in the dash is right here.
Yeah.
The
These
only
weren't real
spot.
bad about cracking. But there you go, everybody. I thought I'd share that with you because his build will be on my channel. So stay safe, God bless, and we'll show you more when we start working on it. Later.